ngiyabheka mina ngizokuthengisela.
Alright.
Rhino Ridge.
Sure.
It went on. She after COVID wabuyela eSpanini.
Zero 013 Golden Circle, another day, another dollar. We are back to you once more. Njengoba sikuyinhlala yenza. 013 is bringing you ama-kasi narratives. We are striving each and every week ukuthi mani silethe abantu aba influential, even if mhlambe in the eyes of others they might not seem influential, but it is our duty therefore as a 013 ukuthi mani sihambe si identify those people that we think are contributing positively ekasi. Next to me ngihleli nendoda enkulu. Ngihleli namadoda amakhulu, and some people were phoning me to say why ngathi uhlala uinterview amadoda nazo zonke lesikhathi. No phela ukufonela lensiza lezi sizozifonela inyanga yabo isezwe, yebo. Next to me ngihleli no James uJames Mononyane, waziwa kakhulu ngo James Makuku. Niyabona nani la phambi kwethu kunamakuku. Ngihleli nendoda ephila ngokwenza amakuku. James Mononyane is a young man. Originally, he was born in Pretoria, but then from an early young age, wamuvela ngapha Witbank, I do believe with the parents. Then he came to Witbank, naye wangena izikolo, umntwana wala Witbank. Never mind the fact that he was born in Pretoria. He grew up here in Witbank. Everything that he did, nokwakha amakuku, nokubhaka rather amakuku, ukufunde la emalahleni. So C013, it's been long overdue. We were busy saying we're gonna call him to come and grace us with his presence in the Golden Circle streets. So finally today he is here. James, kunjani mfowethu?
Ngiyaphila kunjani basi?
Ugrand.
Ngiyaphila.
Yeah, amadoda waselokishini this nowadays vele ngezwe nibizana ngabo basi. Ugrand basi awuthi ngishaye njalo ugrand basi.
Ngiyaphila mfowethu, it's a sign of respect.
Sign of respect, ne? No man, thank you very much for coming through, James. I know it has taken us a long time fethu bese ngikudoja nami kwesinye isikhathi. Mangidibana nawe ngithi la ile ndoda solo kungathi. But finally the day is here and you are here.
By the grace.
Can you greet our audience? Yes.
Sanibonani guys, lo phambi kwenu bongani uJames wakamnonyani, abaningi bangazi ngomakuku, abanye bangazi ngochomi. By profession, I'm an entrepreneur. I would like to see myself as an entrepreneur, never a hustler, because the power of your tongue. I'm an aspiring entrepreneur. For a living, I bake scones and biscuits. I serve people breakfast. Abangaziyo bayazi ukuthi le akusi scones.
Yeah.
Isdudla.
Alright.
Yes.
Yeah.
Isilele.
Isdudla nesilele.
Isdudla nesilele.
Yesva.
Mina ngithengisa ama scones nama biscuits, phethe isdudla nesilele.
Uphethe isdudla nesilele.
Yeah. Ngithengisela endaweni yase Rhino Ridge ngihlala la kwaGuca la elokishini. Ngihlala la ekhaya.
Awuthi yami asimthathe simbuyisele emuva ke umakuku before aba umakuku ukuthi take us through your childhood. Umfana onjani?
Growing up, I used to associate myself with older age group. Abangani bami would be my friends, my dad's friends actually. Yeah, Skima Makrotman, because I believe with the knowledge ibuzwa kwabaphambili.
Yeah.
So, born in Pretoria, came to Witbank 2005, started school, Edu College, primary. Then my high school went to Pine Ridge. That's when I matriculated in 2016. Furthered my studies in Kangala, got into, and then due to some situations ezenzakalayo, I got a job as a merchandiser. And then working as a merchandiser on a Rhino Ridge, Pick and Pay, just next to where I'm selling currently.
Okay, all right.
So that's how I identified that spot. And then 2021, that's whereby I quit my job. And I quit my job, so endlini angabatshela ukuthi ngiyekile esipanini. Endlini batshela ukuthi bangixoshile.
Oh, for them ukuthi ba sympathize now.
Yeah, ukuthi bangada at such a young age kanti wayenza so because some people did not see your vision
Sure.
as much as wena uyibona ngakhona.
Yeah.
And mina ngazitshela ukuthi mengiyosebenza ngizibekele 5 years then I'm going to open a business.
Yeah.
And surprisingly le business yamakuku was never in my plans. That's why but I believe in faith. It was never in my plans, I won't lie. So it happened nakhona le ndaba yokucala kwamakuku icala ngenye indlela mfowethu. It was lockdown, my sister was babamisa kancane emsebenzini.
Sure.
She was working at a filling station. So she just had a baby. So ngicabanga ukuthi no, since well anomntwana she needs the money. Why ungathi before mina ngene emsebenzini wenza amaphakethe nyana i10 bese mina ngizothengisela istaff sasemsebenzini kumaloka bese that extra money now so uzazama ukhulisa umntwana.
Sister utshela wena ukuthi yenza amakuku.
No,
O wena utshela yena.
Ngitshela usister
Okay,
ukuthi
sure.
sisi wami bake mina ngizokuthengisela.
Alright.
eRhino Ridge.
Sure.
It went on. She after COVID wabuyela eSpanini. Sifaka nesilokisho wabuyela eSpanini.
Yeah, no, it's fine. Ungawari.
So makabuyela emsebenzini so she zanke asayinaka nendaba amakuku. That's whereby my father passed away. Ngaba in an emotional state nyana.
Yeah.
After that, that's where I decided to quit my job. Angaqala ngamakuku, ngaqala ngithengisa amakota khona le Rhino Ridge.
Okay.
Trying to make a living. It didn't work out. And mind you, endlini angabatsheli ukuthi angisebenzi.
Sure.
So every morning you have to go out as if you're emsebenzini. Uzabona ukuthi ublomaphi. Calculate isikhathi sokubuya.
Yeah.
Awunamali, awunakudla. Ngisaba ukuthi bazothini yabona. And then I finally told them that angisaspani. Took le malinyana the last pay I got from work. Sengiyekile amakota ngisho. Ngathi ngithengisa ama plate kwenye imayini ngapha ezinambini. Didn't work out. That's when I remembered ukuthi no man, ngile ngathengisa amakuku eRhino Ridge and abantu mase kuza nama customer azofuna lo bhuti wamakuku ku staff. So I saw an opportunity there.
La makuku lawa bowabhaka usestia.
Lama bhaka usestia. So mind you, ngibuyela ku ngitekawo ngisaspan. Cela ungibhekele. Bese mina ngiyothengisa, we'll split the money.
Sure.
All right, it went on. Sathengisa. First few days it was rough.
Sure.
First few days it was rough. Abantu mabanga ngiboni. They didn't notice me. But then I won't lie, there's this one guy Thabang Dumsani. He inspired me a lot because one of the good days he stopped, he bought 10 packets of scones. Back then I was still selling scones only. So that gave me hope.
Business dudla.
Business dudla kuphela. Isilenda singakafiki.
Yeah.
Sadly isidudla kuphela.
Sure.
So he gave me that inspiration which no, there's someone can see, if someone can buy 10 packets then why give up? And mind you, mengibuya kuma business ventures afailile.
Sure.
So sesale ka leyo power, that willpower.
Yeah.
So me being an opportunist, I'd like to say I'm an opportunist. Yeah, I'd like to say I'm an opportunist. So I thought to myself, what's business without marketing? The people that knew me from ekuqaleni sathengisa amakuku, mengigcoka i-3-piece suit, mengigcoka ama-formal. Yeah, just for ukuthi attract. Before sengigcoka ama-outfit wakuphi, I was strictly formal.
Okay.
So that also got me a recognition.
So uphuma endlini uhante ithayi wena formal wise uyavaya ukubhayisa amakuku.
Ngiyavaya ngekhoneni yobhayisa amakuku. So that's how
Emqondweni wami musimaye sekufika indaba lokuthi maye no matter ngise estradini but ngise office.
exactly because yonke into it comes from the mind. If when you see yourself as a hustler, you won't grow. You won't grow because hustling, I could not that I'm criticizing it, but remember the power of your words. That's why I'm an aspiring entrepreneur.
Sure.
I'm not yet there, but I'm on my way.
Yeah.
I'm on my way. So ngiphuma vele nge-3-piece suit bangene lapha esitolo bantu bayahleka bazohleka abantu babona correct ugibela itaxi uphethe namaflower ngapha istoko ngapha ugcwele nesuit uyabona but hanga nakhona is the biggest motivation because you know what you want in life, you know what you need to do to get it. So mengana mahloni mina ngiyazigulela ngikhona ukugcoka iroko basi neweave.
Lalela ngifuna ukubuyela emuva kancane before singena la emakukwini vyevye. You spoke about uthengise amakota and at the same time ekhaya bongakabatshelanga ukuthi awusaspani. Now, how did you juggle to make amakota? Bowuphuma ngaliphi endlini? Nakhona bowenzela kuphi?
Alright, yazi kwenzakalani indaba ukuthi ngize ngita amakota.
Sure.
It was ngikhumbula kahle it was end of May I got paid ngaba nesibindi ngabought a gazebo, bought a gas stove, bought a bottle of gas ngathenga istokonyana. There's a place opposite the garage khona le Rhino Ridge just mocethe ukujika la ngase Total Garage. Le place in ama stalls nyana so for ama street vendors.
Oh yeah.
So I was selling lapho and endlini mengibatshelile ukuthi okay ngivula something nyana yamakota but angabatsheli ukuthi angisaspana. So ngiphuma ngeuniform ngihamba ngetrans ka Sister.
Yeah.
Itrans ifuna umgavi basi. Abantu abakakujwayela istoko siyajika awuna fridge. Mesibola kumele usilahle uthenge esinye. So that's one of the things they eyangenza ukuthi give up lapho. Because it came to a point where kusuke ezinambeni ngiye Rhino Ridge mase ngithela ipetrol e50 rand. 2 point something liters.
Nathi ukuthi ufike.
Yeah, mawuceda moyehla.
Seyithi.
Moyehla uyayicima imoto from lapha ePumas.
Yeah.
Uyayehlela.
Uyazigijimela ku-Ultra.
So I started like Scotch course.
Talk about hustling. Yeah,
so a lot of people the story less abasazi ukuthi yabona abanye abantu bakubona lapha they say like no wow you did good, the backup story with the build up before ngizoba umakuku, before ngiba uJomi, before ngizoba word of the day.
Yeah siyafika nalapho kuboma word of the day siyafika da. Now tell me amakuku utshela uSister Bhaka mina ngizoshabisa. Asithi ke iskill ke sokubhaka ke usithathapi?
Sifike nekubhakeni. Ekubhakeni there was a point in my life ngaphuma endlini. Ngayo rent.
Okay.
Menyo rent ngiphuma so angikwazi ukubheka.
Ukupheka kona yakini?
Ukupheka ngiyapheka. Ukupheka ngiyapheka basi. Angikwazi ukubheka but then njoba ngishiza ngizibona ngiopportunist. I used to look at her makabheka ukuthi umixa in nani. And then I won't lie, my customer wamshem bayangithanda and nami ngiyabathanda.
Siyakunqanya uthi
bangibekezelela Bram for about a month. Ngibheke into eshona.
But this is Xhopoyi. Kunamatlonchis lapho phakathi.
Nini wathola ngaka? And mind you, awuna choice.
Yeah.
Bafuna rent.
Bafuna
rent. Angisho mina ngithe ngifuna ukuphuma edladleni, ngifuna ukubona impilo. So manje sekufuneka irent, sekufuneka a meal to eat. Ebusuku so I was forced to learn how to bake. But today I ayazikhulumela wona.
No wona ayazikhulumela. Now tell me ku experience mhlambe yakho A1 whereby the time amakuku akasagcwela amatlonchisi akundakaze kubuya customer lidawa wena sidlisa ingongo wena.
For abaningi bajikile but then mengiba in order to get them to come back ngize ngikhona ukubheka I implemented the strategy say restaurant policy. If you're not happy you can't pay for your meal. You have every right yokuyiletha kimi kuphindisela imali yakho.
Hayi wena.
Yangizwisisa. So mina lapho ngibashaya because namuhla ngithola imali yokustock. Sasa mawubuya uzofuna le mali. senginaso stock at least siyakhona ukukunikeza kahle kahle mengiboleka imali la kulama customer bese ngibhayi stock bese kusasa mabajikisa ngiyayiphindisela.
Mara ke bekwenzani lento Bhenekani?
Brian kubhlungu ukuthi uyenze into bese ubona umuntu angayijabuleli.
Sure.
Like I always say, mina I don't appreciate umuntu othi ngiyakusupport. Ngiyakusupport.
Ngoba nini uzokhabula adawu nje.
Exactly, and besides then ungayenzi into uyenzela omunye umuntu. La angihlukanga kune Shoprite mfowethu nanoma ngimncane ngingasi registered, but this is a trade. Ngiphi currency nginika product.
Sure.
So akunakusupportana la yangizwisisa, but isupport ukuthi you chose ukudlula laba abanye abantu weza kimi yangizwisisa, but uthola abanye abantu sebenza ngathi ifavor yangizwisisa umuntu you know people with some and mengithi some is just 5% out of 100.
Sure.
But otherwise yona mayibhlungu ukubona abantu bangekho happy, but I thank them a lot for ukungibekezelela. Siphushile.
Yeah, no,
It's been years.
Upushile because now I got to know about you via TikTok.
Exactly.
I got to know you via TikTok la pusha ama word of the day. I remember kune story, I think ngikutshelile before siqala ukuthi ngithizene ethi masik approach angivani through. Kodwa nangu word of the day. Yabo. Thina sisho njalo sithi nangu word of the day.
Yeah.
Ngithi mina maya kashayile musi word of the day. Imele die. Keep mali xa uthenga amakuku before I shy word of the day, because you remember ngathi mina uthi yami mali namakuku wakho and then wangitshela iprice ngathi bamba so awusalungishanga word of the day.
Yeah.
Now how did it come about I word of the day njengoba mhlamba abantu abaningi sebakwazi njengo word of the day?
Indaba ye TikTok TikTok kahle kahle yaqala strange. Menginukenza, if you can go to my TikTok page, it's James Makuku. The first few videos yabona ukuthi mengakayitholi kahle le marketing strategy.
Sure.
So I made a video. There was one of my friend wangishoot ngithengisa lapha yabona. So ngathi abantu bachaza the energy yami ukuthi ukhona kuyale because mina mengithengisa ngiyemaphakathi kwendlela.
Sure.
Amakara adlula ngapha nangapha kumele ube vakera.
Exactly.
And kumele usheshe
Ene plus lapha khona abanye abanokujump stop.
Exactly, and mina I call it a black man's drive through because full faster it's a black man's drive through.
As far.
Yeah, full faster nginika product.
Yeah. Kusuthi wena mawuza la inyuku kose
yeah, wena so iphethe inyuku.
Yeah, inika.
Ngana change now or many change uzoshaya side parking lapha kancane nethi uphumile eceleni sa disturb traffic.
Yeah.
So nga uploaded that video on TikTok, it blew up 500 and something K views. Lento yanginika le ukuthi okay, and the love I got from the people with TikTok, hey, keep on hustling, keep on pushing, God will bless you. And that sparked something in me ukuthi if in a single video I can reach 500 and something K people, that means I can simply inspire one person a day. So yaqala lapho ngazitshela ukuthi ngizozama ukuthi time and again post a video just saying inspirational words, because to be honest siyasindelwa la ngaphandle sonke sinezinkinga. So that smile in the morning make someone's day. It changes that person's perspective of life.
Abanye basuka nje njengoba usho mhlambe endlini akukho mnashi. Ngithola
ufika lapho uhlangana noMakuku ugcoka irock ugcoka iweave awukhohlwa inkinga zakho nani uyahleka ukuthi mara if this guy usestrading he can do it, that means nami ngizo overcome lama problems.
Like kunento engifuna ukukubuza yona like ukuthi I drive yakho na James, because uspanela ngaphandle.
Yeah.
Ne? Sometimes kapanda.
Yeah.
Sometimes with net mawud liyadliva mfana imvuliyana.
Yeah.
What keeps you motivated to say as in dark or blue, especially makubanda?
Not forgetting the bigger picture. And I mean I'm still young, Joe Shiz, I'm 27 years of age. I believe in working manje ngisesenamandla.
Sure.
Because as time goes on amandla ayaphela emuntwini. Maye minyothi imvuliyana manje mengithi yabanda maye life ayiyi ngaloko akusika gogo wami la kusemhlabeni basi ukuthi kuyabantu abantwana bafuna ukudla
Yeah.
uthi imvula yana kufuneka impuphu endlini kumele ugcoke nawe so like any other job you have to go to work njengoba ngishiza ukuthi ngisemsebenzini lapha ngisemsebenzini wami that's my bread and butter without that without me going outside ekhoneni angina income.
Ngifuna ukubuyisela futhi emuva kancane especially when you started and thola ukuthi ujika nestock. Yes, sometimes it used to be of the fact that kuba namatontshisi. Ngifuna like take us through what was happening kuwe uma ujika nestock. Let's say roughly mhlambe wenze 50 ama units, ne? Ujika na futhi uthengise 10.
You can imagine how it feels demorally.
Demoralize.
Bakubona uphuma naso bakubona ungena naso people talk but yeah uzophelelaphi why aye kumsebenzi sifuna ukumbona and as an individual it would hit me ingishaya but then bra if mina ngizilahlela ithawula ubani ozoliguga
akaze mhlambe ufikele lo mcondo le ukuthi azi for yeka mina lento lena ngizobona iplan ukuthi ngiphuma kanjani mhlambe ngenza okunye because why am I saying this? There's a lot of young men and women out there ne who are easily demoralized and then they tend to take the easiest route out mhlambe badazini ngamane mina nyophanda kwamampela ke it's ida nyoganga ngithola uyangithola bese ida mhlambe kulabo sister radami na uthi vele ngithi thabari bona lingweni noshabisa labo uyangithola so wena nje what can you say what can you say to such a person mhlambe ukuleso stage manje ukuthi ayazini ku blind
forward there has been a time whereby yaspana
sure
mara uyenza imali
bramo
spane lapha abangaziyo personal abathenga kiye bayazi ukuthi ngumuntu omnyama jo mongana mali ngeke ulambe ngikhona as long as uzothembeka uyilethe izandla ziyagezana so mina based on what you said mothi yini into yangenza ukuthi ngichubeke ngale business because mina ngithini personally always growing up I'm a person who wanted to own a chain of multiple small businesses ngibe nama business amaningi mara amancane rather than having one big enterprise
sure
ngibalekela ukubeka all my eggs in one basket bangatshontsha le basket yabo ukuthi angisadlanga so nale drive engenze ukuthi ende ngithini mfowethu there has been a number of people who have approached me but still ukunika umsebenzi let's take you out of the street I rejected them not because ngiyazikhukhumeza or in but ngisaba ukuforget my dreams and goals because right now I value my time bukela skathbani ngisebenzile namuhla I'm here with you Ngispanile na
uthumele ne message wathi hazi nethunyana yamapani yazwakala
thunyana yamapani ngeze lawa a fresh lawa ebheja namuhla
jabula thina sodla into fresh
sorry so uyabona mfowethu mina the drive that kept me going is I made a promise to myself ukuthi ngizoba nayo business
sure
and ngile ngacabanga ukuthola ispani but then ngaphinda ngathi I'd be betraying myself because mina for me working for me my analysis ne opinion yami ukuthi mosebenza it's like umuntu who's on drugs because isalary uyithola kayi1 it's a quick fix usota ama problems ne a temporary but still next month funeka yenze in nani and ngapha uhlala ukhathele ufike espani endlini awufuni next awusanazo nesikhathi sokucabanga so enye into le eyangiphusha ukuthi umuntu ofree uyingozi.
Ngilo kanje, like, you know, when you said somebody approached you to say awuthiyambi uyangukususa estradini nguguys ban, ngiba ne question engifikelayo ukuthi umthathe kanjani lo muntu loyo. Did you take that person to say now, okay, uzama ukungi-assista or uyangijaja because ngeke ungibone estradini ngibhayisa amakuku, the next thing uthi zwakala uthi yami ngokususa estradini ngokufake la. Lo muntu loyo umperceive njengomuntu onjani? Uyangikhawatha or uyangijaja uzikhiphweni?
Yayizi question yakho ukuthi ngimbheka ngathi wena hayi man uyanginyaza shothi mina lento engenza la ngibona or ngibone ngathi yangiphakamisa. No, I felt as if that person saw potential in me.
Sure.
Like ifana ne mirror mfowethu, the mirror doesn't show you its beauty but it reflects your beauty. Yangizwisisa. So lo munye umuntu ungibonile wabona ipotential kimi just like you did. Just like you did.
Yeah.
So mina I didn't take it in the wrong manner. Nam I explained to them me decline lento ukuthi cela ungayithathe as if ngiyaziphakamisa or ngiyazikhukhumeza or ngiright empilweni. Ngiyasafara kuyabheda mfowethu, siyancenga siyaphatanisa.
La ubloma khona. Isitoko sihlala sikhona mhlamba sithi mawubhaka uvaya uyangala uMarino Ridge. Khona isitoko share endlini ukuthi basala abashabisa since wena ungekho. Or uvana yonke into.
Ngivana yonke into basi. Kahle mina my main point of sale kuse Rhino Ridge. Bese otherwise mawufuna amabhakethi yabona 5 10 25 that's where buy singakhuluma. Because back to my point le ukuthi ngirana ibusiness yami ngama standards we high corporate.
Sure.
iShoprite ikuphi?
Sit down.
Yeah, mawufuna iShoprite uyaphi?
Down.
Ngeke nini uve but hayi sheshisa na iShoprite la eAkaville. Ngeke so ngavoyela nokuthi umuntu namuhla ukuthola eClefantein kusasa uze eClefantein akakutholi. So umuntu uyazi ukuthi Dago Blue endaweni esong esikhathi esong zomthola umuntu osong.
Sure.
Yeah.
So indaba yokuthi mhlambe umuntu makade sana ngikhalela amakuku yekini. Awuthi ngivaye ngedanda ofaya ngiyazi ngizothola lapha kuChomi. Upampila ngeke lithola.
Angithola ngebantrek intambama mise ngibakile.
Yeah,
but ona nokuba khona but that's not my main point of sale. Yeah.
So your main point of sale is ngada boma Rhino Ridge. Kushuthi noma ngapatsheka kangakanani ngedaba namhlanje ngakhalela amakuku nje ngiyamlanda sithi kusemini Saturday.
Saturday ngeke wathola base ngibheka Sunday to Thursday. La elokishini ngibheka Sunday to Thursday. Ngithengisa Monday to Friday. So Friday ngeke wathola amakuku, Saturday ngeke wathola, Sunday ungawathola.
So umakhelwane nakade ufuna amakuku vele kosele bakuscout.
Yeah.
But ama pre-order like you said uyayishaya sithi ngiyakufonela nge30 wonza nginento kanje ngicela ibhakethi.
Yeah, hayi lapho mfowethu feel free.
So nako lokho uyakwenza, it's not a matter of ukuthi hayi sithi yeah namabhakede ayatholakala which ama prices wakhona nawo ngisho.
Ama prices wakhona khona ne special sabantu abamnyama because I'm black.
Why special sabantu abamnyama?
Brian ngeke ngashonelwa and you know mo shonelwe lesiphithiphithi esibakhona endlini. So mina I came up with lento yokuthi nami this would be my way of sympathizing with the family. Ngithi mhlambe mo order 2 yamabhakede wamasconsa ama 25 liters isidudla. Angisho yiwo lawo a famous ngale. Emncwabeni
enhle kuzibiza kamnandi yazi abanye babiza ngalela gama mina ngeke ngilibize ngoba isibongo sasebukhweni bami mara uyangibamba ukuthi ngisho
ngiyakubamba boy. So vane ngi throw in a free 25 liter bucket, so if on a funeral you'll be paying for 2 and then getting 1 free. That's how
ureka 2 ufumana 1 mahala.
Yeah, that's how I simple.
And in a discount
no 450 for a bucket ngisho.
Sure.
So when you pay 2 it's gonna be 900 rands.
Sure.
But then you'll be getting 1 bucket worth 450 for free.
Bongane ilo kanje I see here once upon a time uke wa appear in one of the print medias that we have la eKasi. When was this?
Is it's in the date back in 2021 December, just 5-6 months ngithengisa.
1 or 5-6 months uthengile. There's something that I love here ebayibhalile, of which you did mention ukuthi always be presentable, clean and neat. Know what customers like and dislike, and you will never look back.
Enjalo mfowethu, phela ebusinessini angenzeli mina, ngenzela nini. Yina belungu bami. Without you guys I'm nothing. Yangizwisisa.
Nathi without you izisu zethu.
Ngiyabonga ukuthi ukutrenda dala saqala.
Yeah, no, ukutrenda dala waqala. Like I want us now to talk about, okay, we touched a bit, but your main challenges that you are facing now.
Main challenges that I'm currently facing.
Yeah, like uyabona manje utazini eshmaye kenyiwa.
Yabona mina ngathola into eso ngabangcono, ngathola into eso ngabangcono. No, right now mfowethu I would really love to get proper baking equipment. Proper baking equipment in order to innovate.
Yeah.
Ukukhula.
Sure.
Business ingabi ndawonye iqhubekele phambili. So with proper equipment I'd be able to expand my variety. Sengiyafaka ukuthi okay, now mufuna isinkwa lapha, mufuna ujeqe.
Yeah.
Yabona mufuna in sengiyakwazi ukuthi okay ekseni une variety, so yazi namuhla athi ngidle in because now ngibheka ngestove lesasendlini. It's limited isikhathi
Ngapha sidla negesi.
ngapha igezi mfowethu, ngapha isikhathi yobheka 4 to 5 hours lapha. Nenini igezi hambile kumele ubambe night shift. So with proper equipment you'd be able to multiply the revenue.
Zikhona mhlambe izindlela ozenzayo for you to reach that, you know, the dream that you anticipating to say you want to see yourself owning big machinery to bake.
Mina I believe also in a way I am with my videos, even though I've tried knocking on certain doors.
Sure.
Ngiba approach abantu ngithi mfowethu since wena unemali, let's do this. When I open into so ngimnike idea ukuthi yenza into so bese in return mina net unginike 5% of commission.
Sure.
Net nami ngicenge ngibe out, but then some people abasabuyi kuwe. Some people bavele bakubluthike but hayi ngiyabuya. So ngiyacabanga,
I mean that also forms part of the challenges that you face, because I'm having a question once ukhuluma njengoba usho ukuthi umuntu nangu uyakulo kanje, ne? Uyam approach bese uyabluthika.
and mfowethu yazi kuba buhlungu njani ne as a young man. Ubheka uGrootman lapha, uGrootman ligrand.
Sure.
Uthi ngicela ukukhuluma nathi asiring.
Sure.
uring umbekele uGrootman kuso mina ngicabanga ukuthi senze sona so. Kuye that's pocket change to him. Ne. Kimi wena lento moyo ongenzela yona, you'd have made my dream. So umuntu akunike leyo hope leyo. I take my number, we'll talk, we'll set up a meeting. Hey uzalinda meeting mfowethu. Umuntu sekadlula lapha uvalfastera usaba nokuthenga sekashaya ibhela. So naye lento enye into ekhawathayo emoyeni ukuthi mase ngibona kahle ukuthi naye breakthrough yami jikijiki sengibile emuva yabona.
And leso sikhathi nawe lento yakho oyiphushayo, you want to contribute kukasi economy.
Exactly.
And also employ abanye abantu.
Mfowethu phela movuse mina ne ngiyi-1 manje ngiyi-1.
Sure.
I can bake ngiyi-1. Moyo nginike equipment angiyothatha ubra wami engimbona ukuthi ubra wami unalento enginayo, or usisi wami ngimbona ukuthi no, this person is une passion. Lo muntu ulambile, like uyafuna umsebenzi ngiyabheda. Uyayifuna izinto eziright, angiyothatha yena.
Yeah, obviously uthatha.
One person off the street and mina ngokuthatha yena sengenzeni you fed a household because kunama dependents emva kwakho, kunama dependents emva kwami.
Yeah.
So mina nginokubona ngathi if umuntu oyi1 angathi buyang invest yobe unga-investi kimi kuphela yobe uvuse 4 to 5 households and when yoba ungasi-aware
Sure.
ngiyangizwisisa
ikwenza ufile njani le vibe leyo ukuthi mhlawumbe sithi uyavaye down ne mawutla most of the shops are occupy abantu bokuhamba uyangifostana
Yeah.
and leso sikhathi leso mhlawumbe sithi khona enye shop nawo kwayibheka wathi since ngiphusha le besagate bengingaba kuhle sana yabona nangazithola ngila
yeah
and lezi zinto azenzeki zikwenza ukuthi ufile kanjani as an upcoming entrepreneur.
Yeah, it makes you see as if the goal, every time you get closer to scoring, they move the goalpost. It feels like a cycle, man. It feels like you stuck. Because as you get into one every day, ugcina uyijwayele and into le igcina seyenza ukuthi ungasayenzi ngepassion. So, mohambe downtown, ubona ukuthi most of the shops are infested ngabantu, our African brothers. Yeah. Sisho njalo ngona it hurts because una idea and the idea could work ushota nge-revenue
Sure.
ushota nge-revenue ukuthi no na indawo neso so ama-ideas maningi futhi bengizokhuluma nethi balalele ideas maningi
yeah no mara ungawathi ngoba bazosuke bazosuke bayidey
bavala ipompi
yeah
bavala ipompi
but then ngibuyela mhlambe towards sesiyoyirapha mhlambe iriding le vibe yethu as much as bowuthukile nje uzibuza ukuthi le Grootman le ningibizelani sokhuluma ngani
futhi excuse kancane wangibona ngumuntu oku social media but then in person uyabona I'm a bit shy especially ema camera nani
Yeah.
so nomuntu makazothi word of the day sometimes yakufonela kuqala ngizodlula lapho sicela senze video bese nami ngiyoba prepare ukuthi okay ngiyenza so word of the day I was nervous.
but it comes naturally yona bongane you know when one looks at your videos mfethu it's like no this thing it's inborn ilanga kuwe riding uyangithola now ngifuna ukwazi ke mhlambe before si rap out yami ukuthi in 5 years time makuku uzibona kuphi nezidudla nezilenda zakhe
in 5 years time
5 years time 5 years now manje next week it's 5 years
as mina ngizibona nguphi wethu
sure
having a bakery Rhino Ridge. I wanted a Rhino Ridge because it would be an inspiration to other young people. Which we saw this person, he started on the streets. This year, this is my 5th year ngithengisa lapha, ne, starting from 2021. Ngifuna kuba ile inspiration to other kids ukuthi no, we saw him upushile, he's been consistent. It wasn't easy, it took time, but look at the rewards now. I would definitely love to own a bakery at Rhino Ridge to be an inspiration to other people who look up to me.
yeah no now I look up to you out yam I look up to you and I'm wishing to continue to support chance mangithola uthi yami uyazi angimane ngikhulume mina ngiyayibreak imoto ngize ngiyopaka le ngize ngezinyawo ngithi kuse bamba so
uzoswipe.
yeah ngize necard ngizoswipe uthi ama ngiphathanga inyuku mara ngifuna le way
Speed points,
yeah
swipe.
yeah you see it's very important as black people to support one another especially since sibangayiye emalahleni siyazi ukuthi isikhathini esibhaya ku blind you know kusiyaba nalento lena ukuthi okay sifuna ukumbona ukuthi uyophelela lapha as much as he has received such words ukuthi uyophelela lapha qiqiqi is 5 years down the line and he's still continuing usasipusha istoko sakhe na I thought ukuthi uhlala somewhere ngala down yabo but when you look at it from Ezinambeni to Rhino Ridge to eKasi to Rhino Ridge kwesinye isikhathi uze uhambe ngemoto mazite emehlelweni ushaya neutral imoto uyicime phushwe edlule
Yeah, ukuthi ayihambisa bezimu.
yeah no before ngilo kanje ngeba isiqeda mlozi mhlambe ngikhuluma into engafanelanga ngikhulume mhlambe amagama wakho okugcina ongawatshela ababukeli bethu mfowethu speak whatever is in your mind kuze umakuku aphushe akhone ukuya phambili nezidudla nangeyilenda
Mina my My word of the day.
Yeah.
My word of the day.
Ngibamba ngayo, yeah.
My word of the day is, guys, the biggest step is starting. The biggest step is starting. But then looking at what you have nothing. So why are you afraid of starting? You have nothing to lose. Even if you start, you fail, you would have gained experience. You'd have gained experience. And a lot of people don't have a problem with starting, but staying consistent. Abantu bayaboreka in what they do. And then they tend to lack. So mina, ngithini, start. After starting, stay consistent. Respect your craft, respect your customers. And ube presentable as a person othengisa ukudla. Because before umuntu adla, ubheka wena. Ubheka wena ukuthi yo lo muntu engiyothenga kuye makaso estradini la kuyenza khona lokudla kunjani. Bese yaqala uba skeptical. So yeah, and guys, yeah, yonke into like look at me, a number of you guys bangazi manje, but then it took me 5 years. So Rome was not built in a day.
Sure.
Yeah, one brick a day will lead to a mansion. Yeah, yiloko engingakusho.
Kuma socials out here uyazi siphila kulesikhathi sama social media. Utholakala kuphi mhlambe to those who want to follow you and pledge their support maybe.
Mina mainly go social media a platform TikTok. My name is James Makuku. James_Makuku. Yeah, and then I have a WhatsApp number for abantu abafuna uku-order. And maybe for people who would like to sow a seed, people who say you saw potential.
Sure.
But mhlambe no mfana kithi singayenza so ube grand. Abantu bangithola ku 064 831 2401. It's 064 831 2401.
With that said, thank you very much, Makuku, for gracing us with your presence. Kunuka Makuku la eceleni kwami. It's always an honor, like I said when we started with the episode, to have, influential people basekasi. Why am I saying we are influential when it's because we youth. We youth, and wenza izinto zenzeke, you are not waiting for people to call you to say here's opportunities, but you are waking up every day creating an opportunity for yourself. There's a friend of mine who told me one day to say, Kumza, don't chase other people's roses, but rather create your own rose so that you'll be able to share the petals with whoever that is, supporting whatever that we are doing. Yeah. So with that said, there's 013 Golden Circle. We're shooting blanks, no harm done. Continue also to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Ngizoyi-emphasize leyo, please subscribe bani. Sengiyancenga ngikucena ngedolo nangesandla nangendololwane. Yabo? But yeah, continue to support us, and we are seeing you what you are doing for us, and we really appreciate it a lot. Kuma socials, you know us. As I'm talking, the handles are appearing on the screen. Yeah. With that said, continue to like and support, and thank you very much to those that are supporting us, like ababonakalayo good no Kumza, Spanner Boy, Mfundo 1 2 3 4 5. Siyanibonga kakhulu. It's not that asiniboni. Sinibhekile. 013 Golden Circle. We're shooting blanks, no harm done. Kumza too. Baba wabantwana bayi4. I'm signing out. Othiyam.
Thank you for having me.
No, siyabonga Nkosi yami.
Thank you for having
me. Ula.